Evening. How is your day today? Hope all is well and good health always. I miss you all. Before I go to sleep, I just want to say hi and good evening. How is your day today? And sleep tight and sweet dreams, everyone. See you tomorrow. I miss you so much. I miss you all. Very seldom I upload content because I cannot think of any topic, what kind of topic I upload, because this time I'm lazy to go out because of the very hot temperature outside. Even in my day off, I won't be able to go walking beside the sea. It was very hot already. Maybe when it's time to cool down a little bit, the temperature will be cool down. And by September, that's long time. How many months from now, I can be able to go back walking beside the sea while smell the salty water, while looking at the wind in the seashore. Bye guys, see you tomorrow. I miss you and I love you all. Bye.